Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, the place where we explore the exciting world of video production. Today, we've got a fantastic tutorial for you on how to make your video cinematic using Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm Cyril Jeswal, and I can't wait to dive into this with you. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates. Now, let's get started. To create that cinematic look, we'll be covering several key aspects today. We'll explore camera techniques, color grading, sound design. So, grab your notepads, because we're about to turn your ordinary videos into cinematic masterpieces. First up, let's talk about camera techniques. Cinematic videos often have smooth and deliberate camera movements. In Adobe Premiere Pro, we have some incredible tools to enhance and refine our footage. I'll walk you through the basics of stabilizing your shots, adjusting speed ramps, and using keyframes for those elegant transitions. Composition and framing are vital components of cinematic videos. We'll delve into the rule of thirds, leading lines, and other framing techniques to add that professional touch to your visuals. Adobe Premiere Pro offers some fantastic tools to help you achieve the perfect composition, and I'll show you how to use them effectively. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite aspects, color grading. This is where we truly transform the mood of our videos. Adobe Premiere Pro has a robust set of color grading tools that allow us to create stunning looks. From adjusting the contrast to fine-tuning the color balance, we'll cover it all. A cinematic experience isn't complete without immersive sound design. We'll explore how to enhance your audio using Adobe Premiere Pro's audio effects and how to create a balanced mix. Alright, we've covered a lot today, and I hope you're feeling inspired to take your videos to the next level. Remember, cinematic videos are not just about visuals, it's about creating an emotional connection with your audience. Experiment, be creative, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy filmmaking!